Have you ever caught yourself feeling like, well, one day, everything will just miraculously work out? I am your host, and welcome to today's deep dive.
And I am your expert for today.
Yeah.
And honestly, that feeling you just described, it is like you will just wake up and the pieces of your life will suddenly just fall into place.
Yeah, exactly. You are sitting there doing your routine, you are going to work, paying the bills, but there's this quiet, almost secret belief in the back of your mind.
The feeling that someone will eventually come along, right?
Right. Someone is going to hand you an incredible opportunity, and your life will suddenly, finally change.
It is a very, very common fantasy.
Mm.
And frankly, it's a dangerous one.
It really is. And that is exactly what we are unpacking today. The source material for this deep dive is, well, it is incredibly short, just a few lines of text, but it hits hard.
Very hard.
So the mission of our deep dive today is to break down the specific psychological trap, the trap of waiting. And more importantly, we're going to look at exactly how to break out of it.
Because that fantasy of the miraculous opportunity, that sudden lucky break, I mean, it is a complete illusion.
Right. But we all kind of share it, don't we? It is this universal fantasy. We think success is just waiting for the right moment.
Like there is a talent scout sitting in your local coffee shop.
Yes, just waiting to notice how hard you are working. We think, we just need to hold on a little bit longer and someone will tap us on the shoulder.
Well, here is the truth most people avoid. And it is the core premise of our source text today. Nobody is coming to save you.
Okay, let's just pause right there because hearing it out loud, that sounds incredibly harsh.
It is harsh. Reality usually is.
But isn't that normal? I mean, we all read the self-help books. We know we are supposed to hustle and take charge. But isn't it completely human to hold out for a lucky break?
Sure.
Or to hope for the right connection to just materialize? I mean, we are social creatures. We are wired to look for help.
Normal, yes.
Yeah.
It's entirely normal. Human beings seek comfort. We seek safety. But we have to ask ourselves a tougher question. Is it effective?
I mean, probably not, but why do we do it? If we intellectually know that sitting around waiting doesn't work, why is the fantasy so deeply ingrained in us?
What is fascinating here is the psychology behind that hope. When you hope someone else will fix your situation.
Like a boss or a mentor.
Exactly. When you hope the universe will just hand you a promotion or a breakthrough, you are doing something very specific. You are offloading the responsibility.
No, you are making it someone else's job.
Precisely. You're outsourcing your own success. And, that feels safe. Because think about the alternative.
Which is doing it yourself.
Right. If it's your job to save yourself and you fail, then it is your fault. But if it is someone else's job to save you, then it's not your fault that you were stuck.
You are just a victim of bad timing.
Exactly.
Oh, wow. That hits close to home. That is exactly what that fantasy does. If I am just waiting for the right break, I don't have to blame myself for where I am right now. It insulates the ego.
The real problem is that this safety is a complete illusion. It is a comfortable prison. You are sitting in a cell, holding the key in your own hand, but you are waiting for a guard who doesn't exist to come and open the door.
So if nobody is coming to save you, what does this all mean for the listener right now? If they are sitting in that cell holding the key?
It means you have to face reality. The source material is very clear on this. Accepting that nobody is coming sounds brutal at first. It feels like a massive weight dropping on your shoulders.
Yeah, it really does.
But it is actually the most freeing thing you can do.
Freeing because, well, if nobody is coming...
Because the moment you truly accept that nobody is coming, you finally stop waiting.
You stop waiting. Okay, let's unpack this because that is a massive pivot in mindset. If we accept this harsh truth and we stop waiting, what exactly were we waiting for in the first place?
A lot of things.
I mean, day to day, we don't usually walk around consciously thinking, I am waiting for a savior. What does this waiting actually look like in real life?
If we connect this to the bigger picture, the source identifies 3 specific illusions we wait for. The 3 ultimate excuses that keep us paralyzed in that cell.
The traps.
Yes. Number 1, people wait for the perfect time.
Right. Like, I will start my business when the economy settles down.
Or